Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And today we're doing a barista challenge using Creative Café from Mattel. Creative Café Barista Bar allows you to make customized coffee-free latte drinks just like a real barista.
And we'd like to thank Mattel for supporting our channel by sponsoring this video and sending us this amazing product.
Today, we're going to be doing, you already heard it, a barista challenge. And the way this is going to work, we're going to have 3 rounds.
Count them, 3.
Yeah, we're making 3 different drinks.
And our Pop, Mr. Cameraman, is going to be the judge, and he's going to tell us whose is better.
I'm so excited to win. You're going down,
No,
brother.
you're going down for reals.
Whoa!
Slap!
Whoa!
High five!
All right, guys, let's open this up.
Let's check it out.
So, we have opened up the box, and what's inside is 3 different recipes for 3 different flavors, which is strawberry swirl, Neapolitan, macchiato, and it also comes with 2 flavor packets, strawberry and chocolate.
Also, you can make your own recipes as well as use these 3.
Now it's time to start round 1, and round 1 is macchiato.
Which is chocolate.
Add 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. Pour the milk into pitcher to 3-ounce still wine. Give a quick stir with a spoon.
Nice little twirl.
It says that.
Wait, maybe you're supposed to froth it.
No, it says, I'm reading the directions, man.
So, how's your day been? That's good.
Uh-huh. Then lower lever for 30 seconds to mix. 29 and 30.
Done. Smells good.
Ooh. Pour milk in a pitcher to 3 ounces still wine. Lower. Okay. That's a lot of froth, man. Okay. Here's what mine ended up looking like.
We're gonna compare them side by side. So now it's my turn, and then we'll move on to the judging. Now that Emma's turn is over, this is the froth cup, so it's a little frothy still. I am going to be doing the macchiato now. So as Emma did, 2 teaspoons of chocolate. Beautiful!
Here are 2 macchiatos, sir.
Presentation-wise, I have to say, I go with this one as presentation-wise. Whose is that?
Not mine.
Oh, we don't say yet. Take a sip.
That is amazing. Well, let's try this one now.
Ooh, I bet.
Equally amazing, right?
No, one of them is better.
Whoa, really?
This one wins by flavor.
Oh, darn! Let's see.
They both taste exactly the same.
This one tastes like milk, this one tastes like chocolate.
Yeah, because that one
Because the powder
had more
on top.
froth on the top.
Right, well,
This one had lost all its froth. You really get a vote for a non-frothy one?
I'm gonna go with the one that didn't look as good, but tastes had more chocolate flavor.
Always love it.
How do I flip an island that's fastened to the floor? Let's get into round 2. Strawberry swirl. 2 teaspoons of strawberry powder to the pitcher.
Pour. Slush, pour noise. Amazing.
Okay, that worked out a little bit.
2 teaspoons of strawberry powder. And when I'm done stirring it, I'm gonna stir some more. Oh my goodness.
the judge.
Here you go, sir. Strawberry swirl for you.
This one has an actual swirl. Amazing. Let's try the next one.
What we said last time.
Yes. They're equally amazing. Ooh. Well, this one's definitely the winner.
That's me! I win the second round!
It has a smoother texture.
And we have decided that round 3 we are actually going to be creating our own customized drink. Because you can do that.
That's part of the fun.
For my creative concoction, I'm going to start with 2 teaspoons of strawberry powder.
Oh my god, that's hard.
For my creative drink, I'm going to add some froth. And now for my creative concoction, I'm going to add a chocolate layer. I'm going to add some chocolate syrup. There, do it where it looks good. So now I'm going to add some powdered sugar on top because it would really stand out against the brown. What do you mean I have too much?
I think you have too much.
What do you mean? It looks good.
Oh wow, I stand corrected.
Check it out, guys. I did it.
She did it. Okay, so now it's gonna have to be my turn. So I already have some pink left over from Emma's that she graciously gave me. So now I'm gonna be making chocolate.
It's filling up to the 3 ounce.
Okay, 3 ounces. Done and done. So now for my creative concoction, I'm gonna be using caramel. So now I'm gonna add some pumpkin pie spice straight to the mix. Let's see.
Ha ha!
Still looks good. Help you finish. You are the worst waitress.
I was doing good the first time.
Well, presentation-wise, of course, the top of this one looks much nicer. But let's try this one first.
Thanks. That's the face I was looking for.
Oh, try that again.
Do you like pumpkin spice?
Seconds. Whoa.
That's good. It's pumpkin spicy.
Take a sip, but take a sip right there. We get the most powdered sugar. A lot of powdered sugar, actually.
This is good.
That one's good too. Okay, let me try a second one of this one. Some powdered sugar. So, the best one is this one.
Oh,
Woo! I
I'm
win!
gonna wreck the house! So we'd like to thank Mattel once again for sponsoring this video and shipping us this beautiful barista bar.
Check out CreativeCafeMyWay.com for more details about the product.
Creative Café Barista Bar can be found at Target, Walmart, or Amazon.
So thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube!
Click these rectangles to watch our videos and click this circle to subscribe.